Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Welcome to Bolivar Live's Vacation Rental Preview, where each week we're going to take you inside a home. We're going to show you inside, outside, where it's located, the view from the home, and the amenities the home has to offer. Let's check out this week's home and see what it has to offer, whether you're here for a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation. Follow me.
Today, we're at Dragonfly. Dragonfly, a beachfront, bright and gorgeous beach home. Delightful, a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home that sleeps 22 comfortably. Dragonfly is a featured home in the Breakers neighborhood developed by Bolivar Vacations on the quiet end of Bolivar's Crystal Beach. Best beach access anywhere, with a semi-private path just steps from the sand. This home is an entertainer's dream, perfect for large families or groups with multi-level panoramic views of the ocean, pelicans, dolphins, and sunsets over the bay. Beautifully furnished for all the comforts of home with all the luxuries of a coastal getaway. The spacious, fully equipped gourmet kitchen has everything you could need and the extras you want. Stainless appliances, granite countertops, abundant seating options, and your choice of drip or Keurig coffee maker. The deck on this home is unmatched with a large gas grill with provided propane, breathtaking views from any of the many comfortable tall loungers, or even the outdoor dining table with captain chairs seating for 8. The loft bedroom has a full bathroom, sleeps 10 on 4 trundles, and a king-size bed. This awesome space features a huge Roku TV, a ping-pong table, and even a stage overlooking the downstairs and ocean views. It is a paradise all its own for kids of all ages. Underneath the house, the guests will not only find plenty of covered parking and an outdoor shower for convenience, but also a huge entertainment area complete with a bar and counter space, bar stools, picnic table, and an unobstructed view of the ocean. Dragonfly is perfect for a memorable getaway on the Texas coast. Let's see what other visitors say about Dragonfly. Daniel said on 7/12 of 23, the house was so clean, bedrooms were very roomy with plenty of space. The deck was enormous and provided a ton of room to set up a kiddie pool, lounge, barbecue, and visit. Under the house had an outdoor shower, perfect for rinsing off after spending the day on the beach, which is only 50 feet away. The kitchen had all the cooking supplies you need and plenty of counter space to prepare food. The living room is so spacious with comfortable chairs and couches. There was a ping pong table and game area upstairs where the kids could play. We definitely plan another visit. The reservation process was easy and everyone was so friendly. Suzanne said on 9/7 of 23, very nice. Everything was great, very clean and welcoming. Perfect for celebrating my mom's 80th birthday. Lots of nice amenities like toys for the beach and beach towels. Had a great time. Karen said on 6/18 of 23, our extended family meets for a beach vacation every year, and everyone said this is their favorite house. The house was beautiful, had everything we needed, and a perfect location. The upstairs loft was an ideal for the kids, and it was literally steps from the beach. Thank you. Amazing house. For more information on this home, or other homes hosted and managed by Bolivar Vacations, please visit their website at www.bolivarvacations.com. Remember, Bolivar Live Vacation Rental Preview is a weekly show every Thursday at 10:30, where we take you inside and out a vacation rental here on the Upper Texas Coast Bolivar Peninsula and talk about the amenities and showcase a beautiful home. For more information on Bolivar Peninsula, the businesses, area history, events, activities, and to see it live through our 11 live webcams, please visit our website at www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com. Remember, you can see us on our social media channels, YouTube at Bolivar Live, and now Bolivar Live TV on Roku and Amazon Fire. It's a free download. Just look it up, Bolivar Live TV. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and we'll see you on the Upper Texas Coast Bolivar Peninsula. God bless, and bye-bye.